Hey, the whole world. As you guys can see, I'm about to give you guys a solution on exercise number 4.2, which will require us to write a program that asks the user how many credits they have taken. If they have taken 23 or less, print that the student is a freshman. If they have taken 24, between 24 and 53, print that they are sophomore. The range for juniors is 54 to 83, and for seniors is 83 and above. Okay, so how can we go about doing this? It's gonna be the very first thing, of course, that I wanna do to create a variable called credits, or this is a reserved word. The word credits is a reserved word in Python. Let's just go student credits, eval input, enter number of credits, enter number of credits, enter number of credits, enter number of credits, enter number of credits. Now that I've got the number of credits, it's gonna be as simple as going if student credits is greater than or equals to 24 and student credits is less than or equals to what? 53. Not quite sure. In that case, we'll display. Let me check this out again. So it should be between 24 and if they have taken 24 or less. Okay, so if it's, I will copy that. If a student has taken 24, 23 or less, then we know we can print freshman. If, however, they've taken greater than 23 and less than or equals to 53, then I'll simply print a student is a sophomore. Let me copy. Oh, I forgot that colon there. Let me copy the whole thing for the sake of speeding things up. Now, if this is greater than 53 but less than 83, less than or equals to 83, this is a junior. We know that, right? Junior. Now let's see. If a student has 84 or more, then a student is what? If a student has 84 or more, greater than 84, then we can conclude that this student is a senior. Okay, now let me hit the run button and see what we get. $56. That right there is a junior. That right there is a C now. Okay, you know what, you guys, all these if statements are independent, meaning the program will first check that condition up there, the one I've highlighted. If it, regardless of whether or not it holds, it is gonna check the others as well, right? That is probably not a good idea. Suppose, for instance, we have printed that a student is a freshman. There's no way in hell a student can be both a freshman and a junior, for instance. Okay, so that is why you're gonna have to stay tuned for my next solution of the very same exercise, where I'll be giving a more convenient solution on this exercise over here. Cheers, you guys. Oh, remember, my intentions here is to, as I'm solving problems, is to show different, common mistakes beginners usually do. So that is why I would sometimes give you a little bit lame of a solution, right? And then later on I'll give you something convenient. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.